Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to make a simple sandwich at home. So guys, I started by applying margarine to my pieces of bread and I was using brown bread. You can use any bread that you prefer. And so guys, I am using my guacamole salad to make this sandwich. Also, if you'd like to know how to make a simple guacamole salad, just watch the video that I uploaded before this one, and also I'm going to link it on the description box to understand how I made my salad. So after applying margarine, just go ahead and toast your bread on a pan like you see here. You can use a toaster as well. And as the bottom side was cooking, I just went ahead and spread margarine on the top side of the bread. So the idea here is to just keep turning the bread until it becomes toasted to your liking, and doing this prevents the bread from becoming soggy when you make the sandwich. Just keep turning until it is toasted to your liking like you see here on the video. And go ahead and do the same to the other slices of bread that you're going to use. And guys, after I was done toast, I just went, this is my guacamole salad. Like I said, I have shared this recipe. Just go ahead and check the link on the description box. So just put enough salad, and then I went ahead and added pickled cucumbers. You can also make these cucumbers at home, and the recipe is also shared here. Then I went ahead and added some smokies. You can use sausages, or even you can use eggs, boiled eggs. And after that, just place the other slice of bread on top of the sandwich stuffing, and it is just as simple as that, guys. So if you'd like to know all the things that I used here to know how to make them at home, kindly check the description box as I'm going to write there. And that was it, a very simple sandwich to make for breakfast. Sometimes I make this for 10 o'clock tea or for 4 o'clock tea, and it is so good and I love it so much. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next one. Give this video a like.